To fix Wi-Fi problems on the Redmi Note 14s, first of all, I recommend you to actually turn off and turn back on Wi-Fi. In case if you're having these issues, you can do this from this quick settings menu. You can simply press this button to turn it off and turn it back on. And you can also do this by going into the settings and here for the Wi-Fi. In case if you are still having some problems with the Wi-Fi, like for example, you are connected to the network but you don't have any internet, I recommend you to actually go there and disconnect from the network, like forget it, and try to reconnect to it back again. But in case if you cannot actually connect to network or something like this, there's a problem like this, I recommend you to actually turn off and turn back on your device, your phone, and consider also the resetting your router or any hotspot you're trying to connect to. Basically turn it off and turn it back on, and this might also fix the problem. But in case if there is still a problem with the Wi-Fi, you cannot connect to Wi-Fi or you don't have the internet connection, I recommend you to go for the more connectivity options, and from here scroll all the way down and go to reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. As you go in there, press this button to reset these settings, enter your current screen lock, in my case this is the pattern, and from here press this OK button to reset all of these settings, and this might also fix your problem. In case if the problem is still there, it didn't disappear, I recommend you to actually contact with the Xiaomi support and explain your problem to them, and they might actually help you with this issue. And these are all of these tips I could give you to fix Wi-Fi problems.